Hi folks, it's Wednesday, March 25th. I'm Jen Bressie and this is Don Asher at College Hills Honda. We are here to give you a status update at our dealership during the COVID-19 stay-at-home order. We did receive confirmation that our sales department is considered essential in order to provide safe and reliable transportation to those working in essential fields or even to the general public who would require those essential services. So for whatever the reason, maybe you have a major mechanical issue and it makes more sense for you to buy a new car, or maybe it's as simple as your lease coming due, we are here for you. We've reduced our sales staff by 50% to comply with the 6-foot distancing rule, and we are taking appointments only during this time. So Don, can you let everyone know how they can shop for vehicles?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, first and foremost, off of collegehillshondacars.com. You go online and you can shop our whole entire inventory. Click the text box, you're instantly texting with one of our sales associates. If you want to get outside on a beautiful day like this, we also have a great option, like the used car inventory out here, for example. We have flags on the wiper arms. If you come out here and you shop around, you're looking at the inventory, we're not even going to come out and bother you. We're going to keep your space to you. So first and foremost, your safety is our highest priority. But if you were out here and you're just like, whoa, look at this beautiful car, and lift up this arm, boom, green flag indicates that you want more information on this vehicle. At that point, a sales associate would come out here and help you, greet you, and bring the keys, pull the car out, and then get everything wiped down. It is a difficult time, I do know that. We're trying to do everything we can to make it easier, keep our staff healthy, and you, our customer, healthy as well. Also, big shout out to the community of Worcester for, I feel, really stepping up at this time and doing a lot of great things. See you soon. See you soon for some normalcy. Thanks, bye.